Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 37th video of our GoLang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the tickers. If you haven't watched that one, please look into that because tickers are very important concept when we are learning about the Go. Okay. Today also we are going to discuss about the very important concept that is called worker pool, right? I will give you a brief introduction about the worker pool, right? When we are doing the examples, you can get a clear understanding about the worker pool, right? Simple terms of the worker pool is there are several workers and they are doing several tasks in concurrently, right? Okay. When we are learning about the worker pools, we want to know about the regarding the channels, right? If you haven't watched my channel latest video, please look into those things because channels, go routines are very important when we are learning about the worker pools, right? Okay. First, I will create a worker, right? That's simple. Function call worker. For this function, right? You know every worker have a ID, right? Then I will pass a ID parameter, type is int, and then we want to get some jobs from somewhere, right? I use jobs channel to get jobs to the worker, right? And type is it, right? And also in this worker doing some works and results we want to pass. To do that one, I will create another channel parameter called result that I can publish values to the channel, right? Like in this, right? These things we already have discussed, right? Channel directions. If you haven't heard those things, please look in that. I will tell those things again and again because otherwise you can't get a clear understanding about what is the worker pool, right? Okay. This is a simple thing, right? This is a worker and we want to get the works, right, to the worker. For that one, we use the jobs channel, and after doing my operations, we want to publish the corresponding result, right? For do that one, I have created the another channel, right? After doing the whole example, you can get a clear understanding, right? Don't worry for now. Okay. Now I will get a for loop and traverse through the job channel and get the jobs, right? In here first I will print this is the I want to first say this is the what is the worker number here, right? This is the worker number. I have printed that one, and then I say worker started, right? Job, what is the job? I can get the job using the J, right? Assume that it will take some 1 second to complete his task. To indicate that one, I use the time.sleep function time.second, right? We do not want to actually use that one. It means that we are saying that it will take around 1 second to do that their task, right? After that, I am say fmt.println worker has completed his work, right? Or we can say finished job, right? What is the job? This one. After finish the job, we want to pass their result to this result channel. How we can pass that one? Result, right? Let's say results, and then we can pass multiply by 2, right? This is the operation that will did by the worker, right? Okay, hope you got an understanding about what this worker do, right? After that, I will create a variable called const number of jobs, right? Constant variable called number of jobs. I want to start 5 jobs here, right? It means that we want to do the 5 jobs in concurrent way, right? In this worker, right, this worker will receive work on the jobs channel and then send the corresponding results on results, right? We will sleep a second per job to simulate an expensive task, right? These things are very simple. And also, in order to use our pool of workers, we need to send them work and collect their results, right? To do that one, we want create 2 channels. I will create that channel. First, I want to create a jobs channel, right? Make can int, right? That the capacity is number of jobs, right? It means that this channel can pass 5 values, right? And also we want to get the results also, no, right? Results. I am creating the channel in size is number of jobs, right? Okay. After that, I will start this worker pool now. For now, I will start 4 workers. How we can start 4 workers? First, I will create a for loop. Initial value is 1, and then I want 4 workers now, and then okay, these are workers. A++. To indicate the worker, I will rename the A to W. Okay, I want to start 4 workers. Using the Go routine, we can start, right? Worker. First, I want to pass the ID of that worker. ID is the W, and then jobs, then results, right? In this way, we can start the pool, right? In here, I have started 4 workers. After that, right, we can send 5 jobs, right? Because in here we have defined the constant variable called number of jobs equal to 5. Then we can send 5 jobs to the jobs channel, right? Or we can send 5 jobs using the for loop. We can send that one, right? To indicate the job, I will create a variable called J, and then J less than or equal number of jobs j plus plus, right? And then I will pass values to the jobs like in this way, right? It means that we have a channel called jobs and then we will pass values to the jobs channel, right? Then we already have started our workers, right? Those workers, once the jobs received, it will work their work, right? It will do their works, right? After that, I am say I have finished to send my jobs to the jobs channel. Then I can close that one. Okay. After that, we want to collect those results from the result channel, right? Otherwise, we can't guarantee that whether we are got the results or not, right? For that one, I will create a variable called a, and then a less than or equal number of jobs, and then we can retrieve the value from the result channel, right? In this line also ensure that the worker go routines have finished, right? We can use the weight group as well. We will teach that one in the next video, right? Okay, now I will run this one. In here you can see the output now. Worker 4 started job 1, worker 3 started job 3, right? Like in this way, it has do their task, right? Finish job 5, like in this way, right? In here we can print the result as well, right? If we want to print the result, we can print that one as well. Right, like in this way, results from okay, what is the result? That is space. Like in this way, we can print the result. Okay, what is the output now? In here, worker 2 started, right? Worker 1, worker 4, worker 3, worker 4 finished, worker 2 finished, like in this way, right? Once the result got, it will print, right? Like in this way, right? Like in this way, we can, these are actually indexes, right? We can get the results, right? In here, if we are doing that one in a one by one, we will take around 5 seconds, right? But in here, we can do that the same thing without using the 5 seconds, right? That is very important thing, right? We can also print the how much time it will take, or we can print that one. I will print that one as well. We can get the current time using the time package time.now, right? Then using the defer function, right? Defer. Using the defer function, we can print the time that it take, right? Using the fmt dot printf, right? Time take, right? Time dot since, right? Current time dot seconds, right? We can print the how much second that it take to do their task, right? Run this one. It says that it will take around 2 seconds to complete their task, right? If I increase the workers to 5, what is the output now? It got around 1 second, right? If we reduce to the workers to 2, what is the output now? It will take around 2 seconds, right? If we do it using one worker, what's the output now? It take 5 seconds, right? Because we will wait around 1 second, right? Each worker wait 1 second and it will take 5 seconds to complete their task, right? But when we are using the worker pool with several workers, right, we can reduce the time, right? In here I saw that one, right? It significantly reduces the time, right? If we are use the workers to do several tasks, right? Okay, these things are very important when we are learning about the Go related concept, right? Using these worker pools, we can do our works very short of time period, right? Because of that done, please do the examples and then you can get a clear understanding about this concept, right? Okay, hope you got a clear understanding about the worker pools. If you have any questions, please put those things in the comment section. I will really happy to answer to those questions. If you learn new things, please share these things with your friends. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye. We will meet in the next video.